Hi, Clayton. I am looking to purchase my second rental property. Just closed on my first, February 18th. And the situation is I don't have a lot in savings, a little under 20 in terms of, making a down payment. And I recently started a Roth IRA, so I don't have a whole lot saved up in there. So what would be your approach to go ahead and, get that second property started? Like, what options do you see me having at this point?
Okay, so you do have a Roth IRA set up. My question is, would you consider using part of that Roth IRA as the investment down payment on the property? There's all sorts of other funding options if you don't have the money, right? I always point this out. There's three things that you need to invest in real estate. You need money, you need a property or a deal, and you need people. Okay, so what don't you have right now? You don't have an abundance of cash or capital. It's an opportunity for you to partner with a family member, a friend, a business partner, a private lender, et cetera, for that other piece of the puzzle. Maybe you have some equity in the home that you live in. A lot of people don't even think about that. Okay, I've got a primary house. Maybe I could get a home equity line of credit, tap some of that equity in the primary house that I live in, use that as a down payment on rental properties. What about also tapping into another retirement account that you may have? Maybe you have a 401k or you have another. The thing people forget is I did this too. When I left my job in Philadelphia, I had like 30 or so $1,000 in a retirement account, a 401k plan from that old job. And then when I left, it was sat there doing nothing. And so I was able to use that years later. It literally didn't move. Like it didn't increase in value at all, just sat there. Well, why wouldn't I put that to use? I was able to leverage that capital and put that towards a down payment on a new rental property. And so you could move that over at a self-directed account. Again, right now we're facing times, obviously, where we have higher interest rates. So we're dealing with higher interest rates. And wouldn't it be beneficial right now to think about using our retirement accounts, setting up a self-directed retirement account? Okay, self-directed, fully checkbook control that you have, a self-directed IRA that you can then start to use to invest in real estate. So that's what our team does at Morris Invest. We're able to set up self-directed accounts in about 10 minutes. We have an excellent team. They're the best in the business for setting up self-directed accounts. And we can put those pieces together for you. So using capital from over here, using this piece from over here, and putting them together like puzzle pieces in order for you to invest in buying your next real estate purchase. So I don't know the full picture of your financial background, Jennifer, but I bet if we sat down and if you talked with our team, we'd be able to pull some of these things together with financing built in, with the lenders that we work with some of your retirement account options, maybe leveraging some of the equity in your primary mortgage, primary house, et cetera. So, or even some of the equity in your other rental property, pulling out equity in your current rental property and using that to buy your next property. Again, using other people's money. That's the goal, right? Banks are making money. Why shouldn't we also be able to tap into other people's money? Thank you for that question, Jennifer. If you have any questions related to financing, real estate, taxes, motivation, financial freedom, it all doesn't matter. You can go to our website at morrisinvest.com. Click on the little microphone icon and leave us a voicemail message. And of course, while you're there, we have tons of great resources on our website. You can book a call with our team for free if you're ready to actually buy a full service rental piece of real estate. That's what our team does. Build brand new construction from the ground up, working with our property management teams, placing a great tenant in the property and cash flowing as part of your rental portfolio. So that's what we do, but we have tons of great blog resources and all sorts of other things on our website. So MORRIS invest.com is the place to go. And we will see you next time, everyone. Take care.